Hello Digibyte holders, DGB coin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now my friends. The game is over and now it's a good time after DGB coin. My friends, this video is going to be very interesting because in this video I'm going to discuss the good news. That's a surprise news, that's a good news for all DGB coin holders. Just to watch and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. If you subscribe my channel, so you will get the latest update about cryptocurrencies market. Subscribe now and never miss any update about cryptocurrencies market. My friends, at this time I'm feeling very good about DGB coin and I'm very happy. Believe me my friends, I'm very happy about a DGB coin. The latest last 24 hours price change is positive, last 1 hour price change is positive, so every change this time in a DGB coin is going positive. So that's why I'm feeling very good about Digibyte my friends. The last 1 hour, last 1 week price change in the DGB coin is positive, so that's why I'm feeling good. Anyways, at this time I recommend for everyone to please hold, don't decide to sell. If you decide to sell, so maybe you lost your money in a DGB coin, but if you hold, so there is a possibility so you will get good amount of profit. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.